We are Virus Clean Virgin Islands, professional virus disinfecting and sanitizing fogging services specifically for the Virgin Islands. Providing a wide range of disinfecting services, all our products are extremely effective on 99.999% of viruses and bacteria, as well as mold and other harmful pathogens. Plus, our products are all EPA approved and 100% organic, biodegradable, and perfectly safe for people, plants, and pets. Virus Clean Virgin Islands performs disinfecting on all soft and hard, porous and non-porous surfaces for a wide range of businesses and personal clients here in the Virgin Islands. For example, VI homes and vacation villas, government agencies and public buildings, workplaces and offices, hospitals, clinics, and assisted living facilities, schools, daycares, and nurseries, grocery and retail stores, restaurants and bars, fitness centers and gyms, hotels and resorts, all rooms, all common areas, cars, trucks, buses, taxis and safaris, airports and aircraft, boats, yachts, and ferries, any commercial or municipal building with high-touch surfaces such as doorknobs, handrails, elevator buttons, desks, chairs, countertops, floors, doors, and far more. Visit the website to learn more and share. www.viruscleanvirginislands.com. That's viruscleanvirginislands.com.